This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Arrow pressed into the sill. Remove the jack. Repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. The front section of the wheel arch liner is secured by several fasteners. Undo the 2 screws at the lower front edge, then prise out the remaining clips and remove the front section of the wheel arch liner. Prise off the plastic cover from the tensioner. Using a T50 Torx bit, undo the central bolt and remove the tensioner. A new one must be fitted. Remove the old belt from around the pulleys. The tensioner mounting piece locates in the mounting bracket. Position the mounting piece, then fit the new tensioner and lightly tighten the central bolt. Locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs locate correctly in the pulley grooves. Using a spanner on the hexagonal section, rotate the tensioner anti-clockwise, tension the belt, then tighten the T50 Torx bolt securely. Press the cover back into the centre of the tensioner. Manoeuvre the wheel arch liner back into position and secure it with the various fasteners. Locate the wheel on the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Refit the centre cap and tighten the fastener. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.